In today's video, we will take out the rear bumper for 2021 Lexus NX 300. We will start off taking out clips from underneath using a door upholstery remover tool. There will be a bunch of clips that needs to be taken out one by one. You'll find these clips in a pair of 2 on each side, and in total there are 8 clips that needs to be taken out. Once the final clip is taken out, you will see the plastic cover falling apart. With that, we are done from the middle underneath portion. Now we will jump onto the corners. We will take out one 10mm screw from the mudguard side. Here I'm using a 10mm nut setter with gun, but you can use a round head ratchet with a 10mm nut setter if you want. Then we will take out a screw from the corner. To take out this screw, you would either need a Torx 25 or Torx 27 bit. Now we will take out a clip which is kind of like a screw, but actually it's a clip. It's a little difficult process to take this clip out. It does not turn with a screwdriver, so you just have to play around according to your own style until you completely take out this clip. Then take out a straightforward screw from underneath, followed by taking out that screw type clip from the bottom. With the clip coming out, notice the mudguard is also falling apart. Not a good job by Lexus by putting a clip like that. Using a trim remover tool, now we would have to take out the trim cover from the bumper. The plastic trim cover has some tabs, so you just need to push those tabs until it completely comes out. We are not taking out the trim cover completely, we are only taking it out until the portion of the bumper. Once you reach the edge of the bumper, notice there is one clip that needs to be taken out. Clip is out. Now we can slightly pull the bumper from the edge. Then we open the trunk. Notice there are 2 covers that needs to be removed. Make sure you don't use a metal trim remover tool. I'm using a plastic one so that it doesn't damage the bumper or doesn't damage the covers. Notice behind the cover there is one 10mm screw that needs to be removed. Same needs to be done to the bottom. Remove the cover and take out the screw. With that, we are done with one side. Jumping on to the other side, take out that one Torx screw. Then take out the screw type clip. Take out the straightforward screw, followed by taking out the final clip from the bottom. And don't forget to take out the final 10mm screw from the underneath of mudguard. Mudguard falls apart. Using the trim remover tool, now we will remove the trim cover. Just remember we have to push the tabs so the cover comes out. Once you reach to the edge of the bumper, take out that one clip and slightly pull the bumper from the edge. Then remove those 2 plastic covers and take out 2 10mm screws one by one. Now we can remove one part of the bumper from one end, followed by removing the other part of the bumper from the other end. With that, we have knocked out the rear bumper completely. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel.